Hello there everyone, it's me, Lame Gamer. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is an unboxing and review video of something that I've been wanting to do for several years. Ever since this product launched, I've always been interested in seeing what they're doing, and I've seen multiple streamers, podcasters, etc. now using this device, and I'm hoping that I'm going to enjoy it just as much as them, and the hype is as real as they say it is. For those of you that didn't see the description or anything like that, the product I'm going to be looking at today is the Beacn microphone. So for those of you who don't know, when Beacn started, they hit the streaming world with this brand new mic that was like a massive game changer. Since then, other people have started, bringing other technologies in that will sort of try and replicate what the Beacn mic does. But honestly, from what I can see, this is the one to beat. Now, the reason I haven't done this video before is because, let's be honest, it's bloody expensive, and I couldn't justify spending over £200 on a microphone. Luckily, the Amazon Prime Day deal came, and it came in just over £200, plus some vouchers I got for my birthday and stuff like that. So guess what? We've got a brand new mic to test out on the stream. Now, before I go any further, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you know every time I post a new video. Also, before we jump into it, no one has sponsored me to make this video. I've paid for it myself, just like I said. And yeah, what I'm gonna say is my own truth. Yeah, that is that, really. No one's asked me to say anything. I'm doing it myself. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm super excited. So here we go. Here it is, straight out of the box, well, straight in the box even. So you got the Prime Day deal, 16th to 17th of July, and yeah, there is our box with the Beacn mic in it. I'm super excited to tear this apart, as I'm sure you are excited for me to just get on with it. So here we go. Yeah, that's gonna go to recycling later, I'm sure. So here's the box we've just opened out of the other box, I guess. We've had a quick look around. As you can see, it says Beacn mic. It's got the logo on the back and lots of various other Beacn branding around. Lots of squeakiness as well. But let's get into the fun stuff, shall we? So we can see what the microphone's going to look like. I see it's got a little RGB, like little ring here. I don't know if you can actually see it very well on the graphic. Let me just turn the light off. There you are. There's the colour. You see like an RGB ring around here. Anyway, back to this. Now we're going to slide it out and see what's under layer 1. Already, I'm really impressed by the packaging of this. There's already another layer of packaging. Inside of the Beacn mic sleeve, you've got this with the same branding that it had on the outer sleeve. Obviously, two ends are going to be the same because it was a sleeve. But now we're going to get down to where I think we're going to actually see the microphone for the first time, which I'm super excited about. So I've dimmed the exposure down a little bit so we can see all of the colors in their natural environment, I guess. So here we go. You're going to see this before me. And there we go. I'm literally, all I can see is the back of this box right now, but it looks like we've got some cables and some form of card or thing here. So we're going to have a look at that now. So let's spin it around. It's interesting that the first thing you see is not the microphone. So that's an interesting choice. So in it, you get this little card, which is basically it looks like a quick start guide to how to use the microphone, which is cool. We also have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which says mic on one end and PC on the other, which is pretty cool. Nice to know that they've differentiated the two ends. I'm guessing there's some reason for that. There's also a USB-A to USB-C converter here, in case your PC doesn't have a USB-C on it. And then it looks like there's a jack extender as well for it. Okay, so now we're going to take this off, and hopefully now we're going to see the microphone. Oh yeah! I was worried then. For a moment, I thought I'd received the white one, but I did notice that this is just paper around the mic. There it is in its natural environment. I'm just going to take it out now. Cool, it's quite weighty still. I'm going to put some stats up to explain how heavy this microphone actually is. But yeah, it's quite a heavy mic. Let's slide this off. So the interface on the bottom is pretty simple. You've got your jack and your USB-C there. But we do know that a lot of the brains lives inside of this bit. I believe all of the processing equipment and stuff like that lives in there. So we've got a threaded connection here that we can use to attach onto our boom stands. There's a little bit of cable. There's a small cable management like clip on the back here that you may or may not be able to see. And then the yoke is what I'm going to call it. Here has the little Beacn logos, and this will be your RGB ring that goes around your microphone. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So now we've unboxed the Beacn mic, which I'm super excited to actually hold in my hand. Like I said, two little interfaces on the bottom and not much else. There's no dials or anything else like that. It's quite plain in terms of like the actual stuff that you can see on here. Maybe this RGB ring will do more when we plug it in. But yeah, that's all we're going to go through in this unboxing today. The next video we're going to be doing is going to be actually setting this mic up. We're going to attach it to my boom arm. We're going to use the software that comes with it. And when I've done it, you can find a link to it up here. Head over to there and see my noob's guide to setting up this Beacn mic. But yeah, I'm super excited. Really happy with the packaging. I love the fact that the cable that you get here, the USB-C, has one end that says mic on it and one end that says PC, just for people like me that can't decide which end to put things. Comes with a little adapter as well, so they've thought about people that don't actually have USB-Cs on their PC rigs, which luckily I do, so I won't be using the adapter, but it can be used for that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you know every time I post a new video, including the how to set this microphone video up. In the meantime, you take care, and I'll see you online. Cheers.
That's all for today, folks. See you next time on the Lamer Gamer channel.